Imagine this. You're holding just $100 in your hand today, but with the right moves, that $100 could grow into $1,000 or even more. What if I told you that you don't need to be a Wall Street expert or win the lottery to make it happen? Sounds exciting, right? Well, buckle up, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners can turn $100 into $1,000. Whether you're in the US, Europe, or anywhere else, these strategies are simple, actionable, and most importantly, life-changing. But before we dive in, let me ask you, how many $100 bills have you spent on pizza, shoes, or video games? It's time to give that $100 promotion from spender to earner. First things first, transforming $100 into $1,000 starts in your mind. Most people see $100 as just enough for a night out, but successful investors, they see it as an opportunity. You need to ask yourself, how can I make this money work for me? The goal isn't just to save, it's to grow. Take Sarah, a 23-year-old college student. She saved $100 from her part-time job, bought a few shares in a booming stock, and within 6 months, her investment had tripled. She didn't stop there. She reinvested her profits and scaled up. Now, here's the trick Sarah used to multiply her money, one most beginners overlook. I'll reveal it in just a moment, so stay tuned. For beginners, low-risk investments are your safest bet. Start with index funds or ETFs. These are essentially bundles of stocks that follow the overall market, like the S&P 500. They're stable, they grow over time, and they don't require constant monitoring. Use investment apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance to get started. With as little as $100, you can buy fractional shares of companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. The best part? You're diversifying, which means reducing risk. Think about it. Would you rather have your $100 sitting in a savings account earning pennies, or invested in assets that could grow exponentially? The choice is obvious. Now, let's talk about higher risk, higher reward options. This is where things get exciting. For example, cryptocurrency, despite its volatility, has turned small investments into massive gains for many people. In 2020, Bitcoin was $5,000. Imagine if you'd put $100 in back then. But remember, only invest what you can afford to lose and do thorough research before jumping in. Another way to multiply your $100 is by investing in a side hustle or small-scale business. Use that money to buy materials, market a product, or start a freelance gig. Platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or Upwork can help you scale up. But there's one overlooked investment that could outperform even these options. And you already have access to it. Any guesses? Keep watching. The greatest investment you can make is in yourself. Use that $100 to buy a course, a book, or tools to develop a skill. Skills like copywriting, coding, or digital marketing are in high demand, and they can generate thousands of dollars over time. Take John, who spent $100 on an online design course. Within months, he was freelancing and earning $1,000 a month. Investing in knowledge doesn't just grow your wealth, it grows your confidence and opportunities. Turning $100 into $1,000 is possible, but it starts with action. The strategies I've shared, low-risk investments, high-growth opportunities, and self-development are proven paths to success. Now, it's up to you to take that first step. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical investing tips, and let us know in the comments. What will you do with your $100 today? Your financial future is waiting. The question is, are you ready to claim it?